dear friends, here we are again. I send you greetings from Holland, and I'm very thankful that you are joining me in this new video series on how to stay positive in a negative world. And you may have noticed that the first few points I shared with you were kind of spiritual points. We need God in our lives, we need to read the Bible, we need to pray, and we need to manage our thought life. So today I really want to share more of a practical point with you, and that point is we should help others. And you say, well, Maya, how is that going to change my perspective from negative to positive? Well, I know it will. It's a biblical mandate. It's a call that we have to help other people, to help each other. And we will truly live in a different world if everybody will do this, no matter how small your acts of kindness may be. So I've based this on a scripture in Isaiah 58. It's basically the whole chapter, but let's read verse 7 and 8. Isaiah 58, verse 7, well, actually till 9. It says there, share your food with the hungry, give shelter to the homeless, give clothes to those who need them, and do not hide from relatives who need your help. Then your salvation will come like the dawn, and your wounds will quickly heal. That's also talking about emotional wounds, soul ache and pains. Your godliness will lead you forward, and the glory of the Lord will protect you from behind. How wonderful. Then, when you call, the Lord will answer, yes, I'm here. He will quickly reply. And this is a very practical scripture. And I've come to notice in my own life that it really, really helps to change focus when we don't think about our own circumstances, but start helping other people. So I hope you want to take this thought and practice it, and I'll hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.